So the first thing that you're going to do is come and create a search on LinkedIn Sales Navigator using the filters from the list that I provide. It's very important that you have the filters exactly as I say, as these prospects need to fit a very specific persona. So once we have filtered for the prospects, what we're going to be looking for is for specific keywords on these individuals' websites. So since I've already done the search, we're going to go through a few examples. So for Shaler, we're going to go to his website by creating a new tab. Same with Kingsley and Joe. I've gone through these prospects already, so I know which ones already fall into the criteria, but for you, I want you to go through every single prospect. So once we've opened a tab for their website, we're going to come in and Command F or Control F if you have a Windows computer and look for certain keywords or phrases on their website. I've listed 10 potential phrases or words that we're looking for. And if you find 2 of these words on their website, 2 out of the 10, they'll be a prospect that we can add to the sheet. So I'll do an example now. Goal, coach, personalize, online care, concierge, care team, customize, journey, support. Okay, so we found goal, we found coach, and we found support. So U-Turn, because they had 2 words on their website, they're going to be a company we want to add to our list. Before adding them to the list, I already have a list of 1,000 prospects I've already found. So we're going to make sure that they're not already added to there. So we'll look up U-Turn. Okay, we see U-Turn's already added. I've already found them myself. So we're actually not going to add them to the list, even though they met the criteria, but they're already on the list. So then we'll go on to the next prospect. Point Fitness Insights. And then again, we're going to do the same Control F to look for the keywords on their website. Care, support, goal. So we have 1 for goals. Okay, so we went through all 10 and they only had 1. So they're not qualified and we're not going to add them to the list. So next we come to Visana Health. So for Visana Health, we'll do those Command F for the keywords again. Okay, we have 1 for coach and then another for personalized. Okay, so we know that Visana Health meets the criteria. So then before adding them, we'll come back to our sheet to see if they're on here already. And okay, look, Visana Health isn't on here already. So what we'll do is come down, type in the company's name, copy their website, and that's it. And then we'll keep repeating this process until we've gone through all of the different prospects from our search result on Sales Navigator.